Well, let's continue with this third video where we deal with some aspects of the unit 1.5. We are now facing this exercise where we do the opposite thing of what we did in the previous video. We have an expression that is given in rational form, and now we need to change it to its radical form. Basically, I need to know what goes in each place. Well, it's easy. This base here is going to be the radicand. And remember, the denominator of the exponent happens to be the index, and the numerator happens to be the power. You can keep it like that, and that's gonna be okay, unless they want you, or unless I instruct you to evaluate the expression, where you will have to use your calculator and find out what the eventual answer is. But just rewriting, this is what you need. Okay, now let's take a look at this one where we have to evaluate the expression, but we're going to take into account certain aspects. You could, if you want, enter this information in your calculator and find it out. But why not using the properties of radicals so that we can see what eventually happens, and probably we would not need to use the calculator, right? So first thing we do here is probably saying, well, let's convert this into a radical form. So it means that this whole expression, 1 over 125, has this. 3 goes here and 2 goes here. All right? Now we can do this. There will be more aspects of the properties of radicals in chapter 4. So in the meantime, I could tell you, well, you could try this. And take a look at this. You could try getting the cube root of the whole thing. So for example, you could do this actually in the outside, like that. So the first thing you can apply is the cube root. So the cube root of the whole thing inside is going to be, the cube root of 1 is 1, and the cube root of 125 is 5. And I solve that, and I keep the 2 right here. Okay, and then we just, 1 squared is 1, and 5 squared is 25. So that would be the answer, right? That's what it is.